So here's Kiley and me. There's Kiley on my shoulder. What's today? Today's April 11th. And poor Kiley's still pretty much the same. Pretty much featherless. Come on. Come on. There you are. There you are. Hi. You poor little neck. My poor baby. She looks a little bit worse at the moment, partly because I just washed her face feathers because they get a little bit sticky from the Meloxicam, her oral medication. So the feathers are just under her beak and on the side of her neck where she still has feathers. They're a little bit wet right now, so they look even more sparse than usual. Huh, baby? And you didn't like getting them washed either, did you? No. You're a good girl though, huh? And you got wing feathers coming in. And no tail feathers because you still keep jumping away from me and falling on your butt. Little troublemaker. Oh, and thanks. You just pooped on camera. That's very nice of you. You say hi? Yeah. That's my good girl. Good Kiley bird. Good Kiley bird. Say bye-bye. Yeah, say quit pestering me.